What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another exciting video. If you're new here, my name is Irene Ezekiel. Thank you for stopping by. So recently I made a few purchases from Amazon. I bought some products and also I made some mistakes. All right, I bought some foundations that are not close to my shade. So today we're going to be trying them to see what they are giving. I'm going to share my opinion with you guys as we go and also at the end of the video, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, the products that I'm talking about or the foundations that I'm talking about are the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Foundation and the NYX Total Control Pro Drop Foundation. For the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, I got it in 320, shade 320. That's caramel, toffee, and hazelnut. And this was the one I used in my previous video. And by the way, if you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch it after watching this one. I'll put the link above or in the description box, okay? So this was the one I used in my previous video. This is 330 and this is 320. And for this foundation, it is really off. It's totally different from not my shade, not even close to my shade. And the shade I got it in is in deep Sable. So I don't know, like how yeah. So yes, we're going to be trying them out. I'm going to be using them for two different things. This I'm going to use as my bronzer, and for this one I would like to use it as my concealer. I want to see how they hold up, okay, even after a few hours. So I've already primed my face, and the primer I used today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Face Primer. It is lightweight. It contains vitamin E, which I can't complain about, honestly. So for my foundation, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Cappuccino. I'll show all of the products I'm using and I'm going to put them down in the description box, okay? Go ahead and put my foundation. I'm going to this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm going to apply it with my brush, my concealer brush.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really... I'm
going to go ahead and use my setting spray, and this is the Milani Make It Last Dewy setting spray. Just to spray that on my face. So the next product I'm going in is with the other foundation, which I'm going to use as my bronzer or contour. And this is how it's looking. I'm going to go ahead. This is it. I'm also going to put it on my palm. This is definitely lightweight. Look at it. I think it's giving me this bronzy vibe.
If you don't try it anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
What I must say about this product is that make sure that you don't allow this to sit on your face for like up to a minute. Nah, it's not necessary, especially when you're using a mattifying foundation. Just blend immediately. And the second thing I noticed, I don't know if you guys can see from, my camera, but I noticed that, yeah, it's looking kind of grayish. It's not looking like concealer, and it's not giving me that full coverage the concealer will give to me. Maybe it's because I applied a little, I don't know, but it's looking grayish, which I must say is kind of like, I don't know if it's my fault. I think so. I should have gone in with a corrector first before applying the foundation. Maybe it would have made a little or a huge difference, I don't know. But next time I'm going to use this, I'm going to make sure that I go in with a corrector first and then see how it goes, because looking at my mirror is looking grayish, which is not what I want. Okay,
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my pace?
so guys, this is the final look. For my lip, I used a brown pencil just to line out, and then for the lip cream, I used the NYX lip cream, soft matte lip cream, and the shade I used is Istanbul. And for my eyes, I didn't do anything much for my eyes. I just used from the NYX palette. I first used this yellow shade, not too pigmented, so I had to go in with the shimmer here, exact same shade, just to pump here and here. And then mascara, I used Essence Lash Princess mascara. That was what I used. And then my eyeliner, and that is it. Let me just put on my earrings. I'll be right back. Next time I would go in with my corrector for my under eye, and then before the foundation, just to see how it will look. The NYX Total Control, I really like this one. Like, it gives me that warm, like super warm bronzy look. But yeah, I had to amp it up with my Revolution Glow bronzer. I might come back to show you guys how my under eye is looking, if it creases or not. Okay, but I feel like since it's matte, since it's a matte foundation, it's going to last for a longer time. I don't know. So yes guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Okay, join the family. All right, and turn on your notification bell as well, so that you don't miss out on any of my content. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about using the foundation as a concealer. Have you done it before? Did it crease on you? Let me know, and also let me know if you would try it out. All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you that have subscribed. I see the subscription coming. Thank you. I also hope you learned a thing or two from this video. I'll come back again just to show you guys my face. So guys, this is how we're looking. It's been 6 hours ish since I finished this makeup, and we're still looking good. So this foundation has actually been in place as my concealer. It has been in place for the past 6 hours plus. Earlier on, this eye was teary and the makeup didn't budge. A little bit of the eyeshadow went off, but the makeup, my under eye didn't move at all. So yes, it shows that it actually works. It works. So girl, don't throw away that foundation. If it's too light, you can use it for your under eyes. If it's too dark, use it as your contour or your bronzer. It will work perfectly fine. Just make sure that your skincare before the makeup is absolutely, flawless, so that your makeup will have, your foundation, all of those products will have a place to lay smoothly. Okay, another product I forgot to mention was this highlighter I used. I love this highlighter, Wet and Wild. It's I bought it from Amazon. That's just the only thing here. I didn't put any other form of highlighter on my face again. So that's just it, glowing my nose. That is just this highlighter, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.